different kind of feeling I never had before.
Naimbag ang malemyo padak nga Ilocano. Siyak manen ni Krisha iti ayat ti kailokuan. Tatangal daw intayo ipadanon ti sorpresa ti maysa nga naayat nga ina iti ayaten na nga anak. May kayon! Intayon! Sakto po ni Krisha iti ayat ti kailokuan. Kaya kami ka nagitilan kami surprises. Kaya ada nga ron inted da nga surprise sa kanya. Sino ti ako nga nangited?
I never had before.
Gusto ka.
Each day my love for you grows more and more. I carried you inside me, yet I still didn't know the joy I'd feel when you were born and how you'd complete me so. I thought that I had lived before you came along. I thought that I knew happiness, but I was wrong. 'Cause you are the joy of my life, the sun in my sky, the reason why. You are my whole entire world, my precious baby girl. I love you like no other. I am your mother. Just to see you smile, there's nothing I wouldn't do. From the first time that I saw your face, I'd move the earth for you. The sweetest of all pleasures is to hold you in my hands, to protect
Nagandahan
you
ka ba sa mga
from
gift
this
ng mami
crazy
mo?
world. Do everything I can. Thought that I had lived before you came along. Thought that I knew happiness, but I was wrong. 'Cause you are the joy of my life, the sun in my sky.
Ano, isa ni mawag mo ba? Biscuit, cake, chicken, ada pa yung handang.
My whole entire world, my precious baby girl.
Congratulations ka na, hindi panag. Kantahan tayo sa natin happy birthday, ah. Nalayo angay. Kantahan tayo natin yun.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Marivy. Make a wish, ma'am. And then blow the cake. Kunan mamang muta, happy birthday, Marivy. From Lovely and Vanessa. Tas dating med, congratulations. Pagkapukin ni mama mo. Iting ka ba nagto? Dear Marivy, happy birthday, anak. I love you so much and I will never stop doing so. I felt a little big emotion to see you grow up. Don't forget to look back and remember the challenges you passed through. I love the relationship between us. Kanta na inyong anak na given, nga da kayo't importante kanya miken Papa Lobo. Da kayo't inted ni Apo Diyos na regalo mi, and I want you to know that I'm ready to give up my life for you. I am very proud of you and I will always be by your side. I feel very lucky to be your mom. I will always be here to support for whatever you want. Your dreams are my dreams and your happiness is also mine. Thank you so much for being so sweet and caring, for giving me help and for being responsible at your young age. The Lord bless me greatly that He sent a wonderful daughter of mine. I hope and pray that there are more years for us to share memories and love. I love you so much. Always remember that. Stay safe, anak ko. Din baby and digili adin. Again, happy 14th birthday, Amanda. Love, Mama Maria and Papa.
Just to see you smile, there's nothing I wouldn't do. From the first time that I saw your face, I knew the earth for you. Sweetest of all pleasures is to hold you in my hand, to protect you from this crazy world, to everything I
Malaglag mo na daw kung nagiging parating ka.
before you came along.
Love you, Mom.
Thought that I knew happiness, but I was wrong. 'Cause you are the joy of my life, the sun in my sky, the reason why. 'Cause you are my whole entire world, my precious baby girl. I love you like no other. I am your mother.
Dininamnaman ni Ma'am Maribel nga adda ti sorpresa ipiina na kanyan. Isuna kit agpapauyon, tat ti ammo na awan ti ited ni mamang na kanyan. Ket permi nga rod ti ragsak na, ta adda ti nabayag na nga kayato, tay pandan. Ket inton maminsan manen pada kay Lucano, basta ayat ti kay Lukuan, serbisyo na ket mo pagtalkan. Bye-bye!